everybody, and welcome to TechForce Foundation Ask Me Anything. My name is Charles. I have been a Volkswagen technician for over 20 years, and I'm going to answer some of your questions. This one's from Justin. How can I improve my electrical diagnosis skills for someone who is just starting out in the field? Justin, I love that you're new in the field and pushing yourself towards electrical diagnosis, right? It's important. If you went to tech school, it's what they told you through your whole tech school. Learn electrical, learn electrical, learn electrical. Infinite ways to do this. One, training, right? There's some incredible training online. There's some incredible in-person training. Go to that. Don't be too proud to take a basic electrical class. Don't be too proud to take any of that. If you go to a class and you learn nothing, maybe you were in the wrong class. But odds are it's a you problem, not a class problem. So look at some local training, look at some digital training. There's tons of YouTube videos. Be careful there because there's some bad ones with really not good information. But that's a place you can pretty easily get involved in. 2, learn how to read wiring diagrams like you learn how to read a book, right? Learning how to read and interpret what a wiring diagram will tell you is vital to be able to fix electrical problems. Because if you put your meter on a wire and you don't know what you're supposed to be getting, then what's the point, right? I don't know if this is power or ground. Well, you probably need to know that before you can determine whether something is good or whether something is bad. Learn cars, learn the basics, learn the mid-level stuff. Understand advanced concepts, at least hear about them, if nothing else. Then I think really what you need to keep in mind is this electrical skills diagnosis thing is not a sprint. It is a marathon. Every time you get something that is broken in any kind of way, take your time and diagnose it properly. And if you don't know how to do that, this is where we lean on maybe the people around us. This is where we lean on digital resources and really try and the reason I'm saying take your time with it is because it's easy in a shop, especially when you're flat rate, especially when your service advisor's telling you that you got this customer waiting for an electrical diagnosis, is just whip the diagnosis and get the car out, right? Slap a part on it and go, slap a part on it and go. And that accomplishes today's task, but it actually is a net negative for you because now you don't learn anything, you don't get to practice your skills, and you've now reinforced in your brain that I can just put this part on when I have this problem and it's going to fix the car. So I wouldn't recommend going down that route. I think you also need to understand that some of your learning needs to happen not in the shop. The more practice, talking about practice, that you can get, the better your skills are going to get. And really the hardest part that I've seen people struggle with is they get really frustrated early in this process because they did it 3 times and now the next car, that didn't work, right? They did this one skill 3 times and the next time it didn't work. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Practice, 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 practice. That is how you get better.